Alrighty, so we are back here again, and let me show you what we got done yesterday and what we got just a little bit to finish up today. Okay, so yesterday we got that seam made, tied off here, stretched up here so I could make the doorway seam. We also had a long seam that goes across here with a cross seam right about here somewhere. Right there's the cross seam, so it fell right there. Anyway, I got this folded back. I'm fixing to go ahead and get this row cut. That way when I fold it back over and stretch, it's already cut and I don't have to deal with it after it's tied off to the wall right there. And after I get my stretch, then I will make this seam here and be ready to finish all this up. Also, what I got to do today, look at there's the man getting everything ready. We're going to do these steps today also. This is going to be nice because they're simply waterfall steps. So this is going to be nice. I will add some tag strip on the sides and just reinforce what we got right there. But these should not be bad at all installing them waterfall steps. Alrighty, we got our steps all ready for some carpeting. Some of the others tag strip I was able to leave, but I definitely put some on the side of my steps, and I always put duct tape on the edge. If you're a carpet installer, you pull pad and carpet off the steps, this part is always broke down. What this duct tape does, it will add years to your pad and carpet, because once your pad wears out, then your carpet starts breaking down. This prevents the back of the carpet from breaking down the pad. Yes, it will do that. The roughness of the back of the carpet will grind this pad down to nothing, and then this part will be completely separate from this part. So this duct tape prevents that a lot. And also, I miter my tack strip right here, and it goes all the way to the edge. That way my pad can go all the way to the edge, so I get a nice clean finish all the way over to the wall. And right down here, something that I do also, because so right here, I'll take and tuck this right around there. And down here, how I got this cut at an angle right there, I'll take and just put some hot glue right there, because that's not thick enough for carpet and pad to go. So that will be just carpet thickness. I'll put some hot melt glue just right here to hold that down so you don't see the backing, because that's thin. Keep going. That is a Taylor Tools kicker pick and row finder. So I had to change up a little bit right there. You can see I cut it on an angle. That just wasn't going to work. It was going to be too much of a dip in. I considered leaving my carpet a little bit long so I could tuck it in under itself right there, but then I had to cut my steps real wide, and that just would have been a little bit of a hassle. So judging by this, I mean, it's not bad right there, but it does dip in a little bit, and I'd just soon not have any dip at all. So with that, I decided to go ahead and put some tack strip here and just stretch it over a little bit and tuck it down in there. So that'll keep everything nice and smooth looking. that right there, that little dip. These up through here look much better, so that was a good idea to put that piece of tack strip right there, angled over. And right there. You can see the vacuum mark right there on that one, where I use my hose. But they turned out quite lovely. Okay, we got this room all did up. Let Mr. Luke do a lot in here. But yesterday I said I stretched from here over and got that doorway seam made. So today I stretched this way. And I made this seam. I let Luke do that, this, and then I stretched up that way. I left that for him to deal with, turn around, stretch this way, and let him deal with that. So pretty much all I did in here was stretch this square, and he did all these little cubbies all by himself. So I am getting more lenient on that because it's not just stopping him from growing and learning, it's also holding me back when I don't let him do stuff like that. So we are learning and starting to work together. Ain't that right? Where are you going? Alrighty, that concludes today's daily vlog. I really appreciate you guys tuning into these. I hope you are able to benefit something from these videos. So, well, even if it's just entertainment, maybe you can learn a little bit of something off of them. I don't know. But anyway, I want to tell you guys, I really appreciate you guys tuning into these. Watching them, they actually do pretty good. I get, 400, 500, 600 views on each one of them every day, so that's pretty good. I really thank you guys for that. It's doing exactly what I wanted it to do. It's boosting up the channel a little bit, so that's super helpful. I really appreciate you guys tuning into these. Okay, thank you again for tuning in to these daily vlogs, and until tomorrow. Actually, tomorrow we're going to be doing something a little bit different. We're going to be using some spray adhesive and doing some glue down vinyl plank. So that'll be something different. These steps here today was something that I haven't had on a daily vlog yet either. So I hope that was interesting. Anyway, thank you guys for tuning in. Until next time, FBSB's out.